Wir sind jetzt, glaube ich, so anfangs 4. Episode. Darkroom. Ah ja, genau. Also, dann halte ich mal kurz Klapp.
Chloe, you're back.
You're back.
Whoa, whoa, down, Max. You get one kiss, now you're all over me?
I'm so glad you're here.
You sound high, but thanks for the morning grope. Since we were up all night playing CSI Arcadia Bay, I was still spaced out here trying to put all this info together. Max, did you forget we've gone over this? I hope you weren't messing around with time while I was sleeping.
Not anymore. I'm just spaced out too.
Welcome back to the real world, Max.
I don't think I can ever tell Chloe about what happened.
Nee, also ich würde es dir
Let's look
nicht
at the big board
erzählen.
and see all our pieces in the puzzle so far.
Getting lost in all this shit.
Foto, Chloe. Okay, dann Vogelnest, ein Steinhaufen. Okay.
Yes, Chloe Price was here. Staying up all night is the best excuse to drink lots of coffee. Even Holmes and Watson didn't use every piece of information. Damn, this is a serious expose on the Prescotts. Finally.
Ja, und das ist die nächste Seite.
That's my Chloe.
Warum gibt's überhaupt einen Waffenleitfaden
That snow dough
extra
always makes
für
me think of
Frauen?
William and Chloe. This butterfly photo seems like a million years ago. How much time have I altered since? I'm so sorry, William. It's not fair you had to die twice.
Let's see what we got.
So close yet so far away. We have to do 3 main things.
Right. What things?
1. Decipher Frank's logbook. to get Nathan's phone to find out where he's been during the Vortex Club parties with Kate and Rachel. And see whatever hidden shit he's got in his messages.
3 beat Stepdouche down until he tells us about Frank, Nathan, and the darkroom. Too bad I don't have a gun anymore.
Yes, that's the solution. We'll have to do this on our own.
Dude, at least let me kick his ass, then rewind. Fine, whatevs. It's your power.
Which I can't waste on shit like that. Or Blackwell would be in big trouble.
You didn't even let me take that money to pay Frank off.
And I'm glad. We have to be better than that.
I know. You should get busy in the garage to see what dirt you can dig up. I'm gonna cyberstalk some names and see where that leads. Or to who. And be careful of Stepcrack. He's not gonna be a happy camper after you reamed him yesterday and Mom was giving him the boot.
I'm on it, partner.
Oh fuck, jetzt
I
ist er doch
can't
nicht
abuse
weg.
this level of my rewind power. It's way too dangerous, and I need to navigate the present without messing up the past.
Oh. Keine Zeitreise für mich. Okay. Kann ich mal öffnen.
It's such a warm, beautiful day. How could a killer storm just pop up tomorrow? Since David might be in there, I better mosey along for a change.
Oh, kann ich eben schon sagen wollen.
Oh, that blue dye makes me so happy. It means the real Chloe is back with me.
The real Chloe. Warte. Muss natürlich schon sein, ne? Nein, David.
You won this battle, Max. You broke up my family. I salute you.
David, I didn't try to hurt you. Ever. But I won't let anybody hurt Chloe.
Too late, isn't it? You just better be damn careful with her. Don't you wander off into the dark.
Irgendwie denke ich, der ist war nicht so schlecht. Der David.
Yep, locked from the other side.
Er ist nur missverstanden. Euch drei vertrage ich nicht.
Those poor whales are like beached angels. What is going on here?
Ja,
Ouch.
komischer Vergleich, ne? Mit gestrandeten Walen.
Looks like they're back on the road to Paris. Somehow I existed in this whole other reality. But I don't know what happened. The more I use my power, the more I see how little control I have over what happens. Now Max Caulfield exists in two Or maybe 3 different realities. How can I have a destiny? I wonder if Chloe would hate me for keeping her alive. But I couldn't do it. Thinking about all these lifelines almost makes my head hurt worse than the rewind.
Ich hätte es auch nicht machen können.
Joyce must be so upset. Are you helping anybody, Max?
No. Maybe. Maybe, baby.
It looks like David finished his car repairs. Maybe there's some new clues around.
Kein Auto mehr.
Whoa, that is a serious padlock on that locker. Hey David, what you hiding?
Warte. 7, 1, 7, 3.
Shit. For once, I don't have time to search for the code.
Ja, ich weiß doch das schon. Fuck, wenn ich das jetzt noch wüsste.
Oh, I need to find a way to break this padlock. Oh, look at the baby blue jay eggs in the nest. I better move his plank if I want to take the shot.
Ja, ja, und du machst
Excuse
es
me.
kaputt.
Just one picture, please. Click. Another photo from my Arcadia Bay wildlife series.
Okay,
Oh,
hätte ich
thank
jetzt
you.
nicht gedacht.
Sleep tight, my eggy legs. I wonder if David is going to the party. What the hell did David do for Nathan? And what did his dad do for David? Either Chloe stole another gun, or David is out there armed.
Inneres Zweite.
Oh,
Ne?
that makes me sad. It was so incredible to see William again. I wish Chloe... Oh, jeez. David is packing up wedding stuff, too. There's more to David Madsen than meets the eye. He should finish this letter to Joyce. Okay, I can use that crowbar to pry open the locker.
Ich könnte
Should I have
natürlich.
signed the petition? Blackwell sure isn't safe and private anymore. Oh, meow, Miss Grant. Twist that knife. At least he has one weird fan. Wish I had surveillance footage of that conversation.
Ein Krebs
Surveillance
sich
cameras
in der
at Pan Estates?
Blackwell Academy.
David must be working for the Prescotts too.
Interessant, interessant.
Looks like you need a code to open this. Or a way to break in.
Ist wirklich fraglich verlangt. Fuck, wie ging der fucking Code? Ach so. Das kann man alles nochmal. War das eh hier drin, ne? Wo war denn das? Sieben eins. Ach so.
Sorry,
Nein.
David, but I bet you would do the same thing as me.
Fuck. Nee.
Oh, maps, notes, coordinates, photos of Kate and Nathan. Yes, score. Back to Chloe now.
Ach fuck.
Max, you better put that plank back to protect the net. Oh, thank you.
Oh nee. Sirenenübung. die Brechstange kann ich jetzt nicht wieder hinlegen, oder was?
It's amazing how much drama this living room has seen.
Toter Vogel. Oh, kann ich nicht mal auf die Schaukel?
Poor birds. I guess David wasn't in the mood to clean up. Looks like David already booked a room.
Chloe rufen? Okay.
Yo, Chloe! Are you ready yet? I have to get back to my dorm.
Are we happy?
Very happy. I hit the secret file jackpot. Kate, Nathan, and Rachel. Plus some location coordinates. David is like a one-man surveillance army. Now let's get the hell out of here before we get busted.
But I absolutely have to go see Kate in the hospital right now. I want to find out how she's doing.
How she's doing? She's doing fine.
This is definitely Kate's floor.
The hospitals always freak me out.
I hear you. But imagine how Kate feels. I'm so glad I get to see her again. I hope it's not too weird for her.
No, she'll be stoked to see you. Who wouldn't be?
This be it. I'm a little nervous.
Just go in there and be your friend. I'll wait out here so you can chill by yourselves. I was a total dick for blowing a fuse when you answered Kate's call the other day. Good thing you ignored me. I had no idea what shit she was going through. And you saved her. Like me. I'm sorry.
Thanks, Chloe. But don't be sorry. We're all on the same team.
Team Max. Let Kate know we're gonna string Nathan up by his balls then.
Oh yes, I'm on it.
Max,
Kate.
I thought I'd never see you again. I feel so ridiculous. I'm so sorry.
Kate, listen to me. You have nothing to be sorry about. Other people do. You do not know how happy I am to see you. You look awesome. Is it a stupid question if I ask how you're doing?
Now that you're here, I'm doing even better. I'm so grateful to you for coming up to the roof to talk me down. I felt so lost and alone. When I saw how much you cared, how hard you were trying, you made me realize I wasn't alone. Thank you.
Kate, there are so many people who love you and want to help you.
I know. You should see all the letters and postcards. I gave most of the flowers to other patients here because they need them more than me. I'm keeping the balloons, though. One of the nurses gave me some pen and paper so I could do some drawings.
I love
Was
your
hat sie denn
illustrations.
gezeichnet?
They got kind of dark
Irgendwie
there for a while.
Pixelfrei.
I have an idea for a new children's book about bullying. I was thinking of having some photographs in there, too.
I hope that's a subtle hint that you'll let me take the photographs for the book.
Was that subtle? You better take the pictures, Max. I'm going to be here for another day until my family comes out to visit.
How are they treating you?
like they need to protect me forever. They're so upset, and I know they feel guilty even though they didn't do anything. I was surprised how many students from Blackwell wrote me. Daniel, Mr. Jefferson, even Victoria wrote me a very sweet note. And I believe she was being real.
Me too. I'm glad you believe again, Kate.
Ja,
I'm
bei
working on it,
Victoria.
Max. I just pray I can get this drawing right.
Werde ich nicht meine Hand ins Feuer
Those are nice
legen.
flowers. And from Taylor? Wow, props to her.
Yeah, props.
If this gets Kate through the night, so be it.
Jesus,
I don't think get well is quite apropos.
Ja, gut.
That is so
Besserung.
sweet. Even Victoria signed. But not Nathan.
Not Nathan.
Victoria Chase might be queen bitch, but she's not evil.
Victoria.
Principal Wells knows how to step it up when he wants to.
Ja. Das ist doch nur so ein
Thank you,
Blabla
sisters.
schreiben.
You really saved Kate. Good to see that Kate is still working on her book report. Oh, I love Kate's happy rainbow flock.
Or red cat. Where is she? Walk, here. Okay.
Kate, it is so good to hang out with you again.
Max, I owe you so much. And I can tell you want to talk to me about something.
Victoria.
I saw Victoria's letter. How does that make you feel?
Max, I know Victoria can be not nice, but I do believe in forgiveness and redemption. I might be naive, but I feel her struggle.
Me too. I could have taken a picture of her covered in paint, but I didn't, and we had a genuine moment.
We all have our moments. Why do you think she acts so mean?
She's insecure. If you're comfortable with yourself, you don't need to act superior.
Victoria doesn't look like she has much to be insecure about.
If anybody could make Victoria see the light, it would be Kate Marsh.
No. I think it will take more than that, Max.
I always want to talk to you.
We missed our tea session this week.
That was so not cool. We need to plan, like, a tea shop tour of Portland.
Oh, yes. And you could bring Warren along, too.
What do you think of Warren?
Oh, smart and silly. He's got such a good heart. And he's a cutie pie.
Cutie
You know he
pie.
likes you.
I'm going to the drive-in with him, so we'll see. With everything that's going on, a date seems weird.
No, you deserve that.
Kate Marsh, matchmaker. I'm glad somebody is looking out for my love life.
Even angels need angels, Max.
I want you to know I'm this close to getting all the info I need about Nathan.
Nathan Prescott has to pay for what he did. And we have to stop him from hurting anybody else.
I wish I could have gotten his ass kicked out of Blackwell.
Me too. But his dad would never let that happen. I thought I had a tough family. So what is going on with him now?
I think his family is totally protecting him. Or worse.
I never say this about people, but Max, there's something evil about the Prescotts. They have something to do with death.
We're going to stop him.
With that?
I just have to find Nathan's room number, get inside, and get the clues I need.
Max, please let me help. I can get the number, and I'll text it to you, okay?
Of course, Kate. I can't do this without you.
Now it's time for Nathan to watch out for us.
I have to get back to our mission.
Ah, Kacke.
You don't know how much it means to see you again.
I
Sie
do.
verkackt sich ja alles.
That's why I love you, Max. Thanks for taking care of my bunny. Tell Alice I'll see her soon.
Alice? Ah, schon noch passender Name.
Well, how is she?
She's still Kate Marsh. Thank God.
I'm glad we came to see her.
Thanks for coming with me.
Now let's go pay a visit to Nathan Prescott. That little prick is not going to be glad when he sees us.
Haha. Confrontation.
Hey, Max. How you doing?
Oh, hi, Mr. Jefferson. I'm okay. And this is my friend Chloe.
Yo.
Chloe. Why isn't somebody as cool as you going to Blackwell?
I was way too cool for this school. It's a long story. In actual files here.
I can imagine. Max, are you sure that you're all right?
It's weird being suspended and just walking around campus.
Well, you are an adult now. This isn't prison, is it?
Not until we get orange jumpsuits.
On that note, Blackwell duty calls. Remember, I'm going to announce the winner of the Everyday Heroes contest tonight at the party, so I hope you'll be there to celebrate, even though I'm sorry you didn't enter a photo. I understand your reasons. You can't force an artist to work.
I feel like a total loser, but it's been a hard week to focus. No pun intended.
I'm proud of you for caring so much about a troubled friend, and I take hope in the fact that you have plenty of time to find your way. Just get in the habit of putting your work out there.
Hätte ich
Thanks,
das
Mr.
machen
Jefferson.
können?
I'll definitely be there tonight.
Me
Hätte
too.
ich ein
I'll be Max's
Foto
date.
einreichen
You better
können?
dance with us at least once.
Nobody should have to see me dance. Plus, you don't want to watch the old hipster trying to keep up with the kids. I have some pride. Be seeing you.
Yes, you will. Hot for teacher.
Rose, you are out of control.
Not yet. Just wait until the Rager tonight.
Shut up.
Don't be jealous because Mark Jefferson thinks I'm cool.
I am so ignoring you.
Fine. Since I'm here, I'll see if I can get some dirt from Justin. Haven't talked to him in a while.
Now that is a great plan.
Justin.
Let's see if I can find out where Nathan is. I don't want to go that way.
But I want that you go that way.
Principal Wells was so loaded the other night here.
Whoa, what? Oh Mann, muss das sein?
Hey Daniel, you look bummed out. Are you alright?
Hola, Max. I just figured out that my photos basically suck.
Der
I'm a wannabe
Weltuntergang.
artist.
You're not here to be a photographer. That's my gig. Look at that sketch you did of me. Incredible. And that's your art. Your gift.
I do feel better now. You are good, Max.
Are you going to the end of the world party tonight?
It will be if I go, man. People here push me into lockers, not dance floors.
That's exactly why you should go to that party. We have to stand up to these Blackwell bullies for Kate. You won't be alone, Daniel.
Not with you to back me up, Max. Damn it. I will go to the party like it is the end of the world. Okay, maybe I won't go, but... No, I won't do that, but I'll go.
By the way, have you seen Nathan Prescott?
You mean lately?
Like, anytime today?
I saw Jefferson talking with Nathan a little while ago, but I try to stay out of his way. I have enough assholes to deal with here.
Have you talked to anybody about what happened with Kate?
I don't talk to anyone, Max. But I did actually have a
Schule
nice
ist
talk with
teilweise
Brooke.
schon hart.
She couldn't stop talking about how brave you were on that roof.
I don't think doing the right thing is brave, but I appreciate what she means. The most important thing is that Kate gets better. And gets justice.
I hear that, Max. She's the sweetest, most genuine person I've ever met. I don't mind getting picked on by Blackwell bro-holes, but don't fuck with Kate.
I like this revolutionary Daniel DaCosta.
Only if I can start the revolution from my sketchbook, Max.
Let's talk later. Okay, Daniel? That's what I get for helping Alyssa. A broken window. Good thing I didn't let Chloe take that money from Principal Wells.
Justin, it's been so long since I've seen you.
Because you're way too cool for us now, Chloe.
Way too much shit going on, man.
Try going to Blackwell.
Kann ich von ihm auch ein Foto wieder machen?
Dude, Rachel,
Dude, I wish. I'm looking at it.
I miss her laugh. I'm gonna bail off my board.
She was probably high.
Yeah, she had the sick nugs.
True dat. Okay, I have to bounce.
Come hang with us at the park sometime.
Charging battery.
We have to crush the Razorbacks.
Zachary.
Enjoy the big game, Zachary. I hope it's not the last.
Ah, da mein Fotomotiv.
One photo. For posterity. Let's see if I can find out where Nathan is.
Oh nee, nicht schon wieder.
That's so ironic that you're
Okay, ich mach kurz das Mikro stumm.
Brooke doesn't look happy that I'm going ape with... Hey, Brooke. How are you?
I'm here as usual. By the way, thanks for helping Kate down. Are you okay?
I might feel better taking your drone for a quick flight.
Miss Grant finally gave up and let me fly her again. But you're going to the drive-in with Warren, so you don't have time to fly my drone.
Really? I can't fly your drone because I'm going to see ape movies with Warren?
You are perceptive, Max. Now, excuse me. My drone needs me. That's so ironic that Warren asked. Talk to you later, Max. That's so ironic.
Hey, Brooke. How are you?
I'm here as you...
I need to find Nathan. Have you seen him around?
Ask Warren. I mean, you're going to the movies with him and everything.
Okay, Brooke. But right now I'm trying to find Nathan.
Warren... That's so ironic that Warren asked Max...
So, jetzt ist wieder gut.
I can't get my limited brain around that eclipse and the beached whales. I was hoping the science department had some ideas.
Warren and I are supposed to compare notes and theories this weekend.
That makes sense. 2 big brains are better than 1. Or mine.
We'd get the Nobel Prize if we could explain this phenomenon, but even Miss Grant has no clue.
I have to go. Talk later, Brooke. Good. Nathan is not around. I should go back to Chloe. Did you think you could hide from Max Caulfield, squirrel paparazzi?
I had to clear away another batch of dead birds today. Sad.
Makes me
Maybe
mad.
I should have asked Warren.
Climate change isn't real my ass.
How are you doing, Max? Been a tough week. I know.
Yes, it has, Samuel. How are you?
Sad and confused like everybody else in Arcadia Bay. You look like you have a lot of questions, too.
I definitely have questions about what's happening to the animals in Arcadia Bay.
Oh, many do. These poor creatures have no choice in what happens to them.
Well, I'm glad to see your squirrels are still healthy and happy on the campus.
Me too. If something happened to them... Oh...
Not as long as you're here to take care of them, Samuel.
The only thing that calms them is food. Lots of food. Which reminds me that I have to feed them now.
Photo?
I think everything is changing here.
As a scientist,
How would you like a partner for a quick photo op?
very worried.
Arcadia Bay is scared too. Look at the weather. And the animals.
Not to mention poor Kate Marsh.
We all
And
look
this?
out for each other.
Sorry to bother you again, Samuel.
There's no bother here, Max.
I definitely have questions about...
Oh.
How can anybody explain all those poor beached whales?
My dad was a fisherman, and he'd take me out to hear the whales sing. Now they just cry.
Do you think this is some kind of eco-disaster, or...
I think it's more than that. Somebody is causing all this to happen.
You think so, Samuel?
You and Arcadia Bay are connected by time and tide. So, next time I have a question, I'm coming to you.
What do you think about all those dying birds?
Samuel had to bury dozens near the Tabanga.
Is that cool with the Tabanga?
We'll find out if the souls of the bird move on. Not that we can prove it.
It's so ominous.
Unless it's fate, then it doesn't matter.
More questions than answers.
Samuel is always here to talk.
Have you seen Nathan Prescott around?
I try not to.
Whoa, you really don't like Nathan. How come?
Samuel likes everybody, until they give him a reason not to. He did.
Well, okay, enough said. You know a lot of Blackwell secrets, so I thought you could help me.
Max, I'm a custodian, not a psychic. I can only help
Ich
by
muss zur
warning you to be
Pennerin.
careful.
Do you ever talk with David Madsen?
He talks to me. I listen.
That's how David operates.
He sees things, not people. But I think he sees you, Max.
Why do you say that?
Because you both see with cameras.
I think you have better vision than both of us.
No, Max. I just look at everything from a different angle.
I actually just talked to Kate Marsh in the hospital. She's doing so much better.
Because of you, Max. That was quite a rescue.
Samuel, you're the eyes of Blackwell. Did you know Kate was being bullied?
Most everyone makes fun of me. But Samuel warned them about Kate. I hate bullies, Max.
I believe you.
Kate just needed some more helpful spirits like her friend Max. I hope she finds them now.
I still have a million questions about what's happening to Arcadia Bay.
That must be why Miss Gant says you're one of her favorite students at Blackwell.
Even though Miss Grant likes me, I have zero science skills to explain that eclipse.
As I was just saying to her, that's because science has no explanation. Well, no offense to Miss Grant here, but this is just the beginning.
Beginning of what?
Oh, I don't believe anything ever ends. Especially time. That's why I can sense something bigger is coming to Arcadia Bay. And Max, I don't like it at all.
I keep thinking that Rachel Amber has a few answers. If we can find her.
If Rachel wants to be found.
Do you think she's alive?
She'll always be alive in our hearts. Sometimes that's all we have left.
But...
Max, all I can tell you is to stay on your path and you'll find what you're looking for. Rachel Amber is waiting too.
I'd rather be in her class than the Vortex Club.
Yes, you would. Rachel saw right through them.
She's not the only one.
Nobody should be trapped in the Vortex Club. Get out now, Max, while time is on your side.
I'm sorry. I better get going now.
Stace.
Okay.
Get that food in your belly.
Foto. Juhu. So. Dann würde ich sagen, dann war's das wieder mal. Für heute zum ersten Mal. Dann würde ich sagen, bis zum nächsten Mal, Leute. Haut rein.